One of the most fun things that I'm doing this month is to start shopping as my higher self. So get clear on what this higher self version of you looks like. What colors do they wear? What's their style? What's their vibe? For me, I see my higher self wear a lot of pinks and reds, lots of bright colors, and I've always avoided this because people would always tell me that, I'm bigger and so I can't wear colors because that would make you look bigger. But I'm just not subscribing to that belief any longer. I love wearing colors. I love being out there. So I'm going to start wearing colors. And I'm going to start wearing pinks and reds and bright blues and greens. And if I were to describe my higher self style, I would say it's like boho chic. It's very free people. It's very laid back and flowy and comfortable. I also love jewelry. If you didn't know, I actually make my own jewelry. But what I'm committing to is actually to create more colorful, like statement-like pieces, So not just dainty and gold pieces, but crystal bracelets, like I made these, and necklaces. So tell me in the comments below, what does your higher self look like? What is their color palette? What is their vibe? How do they shop? Like, I love wearing florals, kind of like what I'm wearing right now. So yeah, comment below. Let me know what your higher self feels like and looks like. I would love to know more. Let's be friends. And also, if you didn't know, I have a podcast now. It's called The Hot Higher Self. You can listen to it by clicking on the link at the top of my page. Get my tapping bundles if you want to learn how to change your energy and change your life in honestly minutes with EFT tapping. It's amazing. And if you have any questions, you can ask them below. And that's it. Follow for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.